I am a salesman. But you already know that because you use my products. Like the McSpillian Wonder Mop.
It lasts in a box.
The McQuill Pen.
It lasts.
And my latest. Chocolate McQuill. The Wonder Low-Fat Cocoa. Sales is my life. Sales bought me that hot tub filled with cash. Cash!
Seriously, it's built with cash. Wet cash.
And if everybody plays ball out, certainly make me rich.
You had me this job.
Just remember my business mantra. Play it for laughs. McQuill, get out.
You still a superhero?
No, I'm a lawyer now. Pretty much.
Oh,
Yeah. You?
nah. TV is pretty much my life. What would you do if I died?
That's enough. Time for party games.
Spin the bottle.
Ew.
Need 7 minutes in heaven.
What's that?
You, me, closet magic.
You realize there's absolutely no chance of the kissing, right?
Yeah, duh, of course. You're like my sister. Let's give her a little pocket you right out, don't you?
There's something wrong back at the office. Daddy's on. Mr. Seven's not answering his phone. We've got to assemble the bird team and get to the bottom of this.
How dare you! I leave the room to look for my Uno deck, and you two end up bumping uglies on the floor like animals. Oh! That's right. The orgy's over, and to bed with you, Caligula. See violin and fencing in the morning.
I suppose,